Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by preparing the phone. Make sure it's unlocked and charged above 20% so changes save reliably. Once ready, open Settings and head straight to Display and Brightness. You want the always-on display entry visible. If you don't see it, use the search bar at the top and type Always On. Make sure your device is updated to the latest firmware because older builds can hide AOD options. Now tap the Always On display to enter wallpaper and style controls and proceed to customization. Next, you choose the actual wallpaper. Tap Wallpaper or Edit, then pick from live wallpapers, default images, or your gallery. You must crop and reposition the image so key content sits inside the visible area. Once done, preview it in the AOD preview pane to confirm contrast against the always-on dim background. Make sure to adjust clock style, text color, and brightness level so information remains legible in ambient mode. Once satisfied, tap Apply to set it as the always-on display wallpaper. Finalize by tapping Save or Apply, then lock your phone and glance at the always-on display to verify the wallpaper appears as expected. If it does not show, first toggle the always-on display off and on from settings, and if needed, reboot the device. Many display glitches clear with a restart. Also make sure Battery Saver or Scheduled Do Not Disturb isn't disabling AOD. If problems persist, update system software or reset display settings. That typically resolves persistent issues without data loss.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.